In this video, I'm going to be providing you with an exclusive Hostgator coupon code discount no matter what Hostgator web hosting plan you choose. You'll get a Hostgator discount on Hostgator's most popular shared hosting plans, cloud hosting, WordPress hosting, and any of the other hosting plans Hostgator has to offer. You'll get a Hostgator discount by using our exclusive Hostgator promo code at checkout with the link. With the Hostgator web hosting discount, you'll also receive a free domain name on annual plans or a domain discount on non-annual plans. To get your Hostgator coupon code discount, click the link below in the description and you just need to enter the Hostgator promo code CUPID60 at checkout to save even more money on Hostgator web hosting. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Hostgator at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Hostgator discount. Now let me walk you through the steps to get the Hostgator discount and also showing you the discounted amount you'll be getting once you enter our exclusive Hostgator coupon code at checkout. Once you click the Get Started button, you'll be on the Hostgator Shared Hosting Plans page. You'll see the Hatchling, Baby, and Business plan. You'll see you can get up to 65% off depending on the plan you choose. You can save even more money with our exclusive Hostgator promo code, enter at checkout. Once you select a plan, you can scroll down and replace the Hostgator promo code that is there with CUPID60. Here's a before and after of the Hostgator Hatchling plan. You'll see you can get web hosting for as low as $271 a month, depending on the term you go with. You get a savings of up to 69% off. Next up is the Hostgator Baby plan. You'll see you can get Hostgator hosting for as low as $343 a month, depending on the term you go with. You'll get a savings of up to 71% off. Next is the Hostgator Business plan. You'll get Hostgator hosting for as low as $516 a month, depending on the term you go with. You get a savings of up to 69% off. For all the annual plans such as the 12-month and 36-month terms, you get a free domain name. With the non-annual terms such as the 1-month or 6-month terms, you'll get a domain name discount. If you decide to go with any of Hostgator's other types of hosting services they offer, like WordPress hosting, cloud hosting, or VPS hosting, you'll get a Hostgator discount. Enjoy your Hostgator promo code discount so you can save money on your Hostgator web hosting purchase. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more web hosting tutorial videos.